Welcome to the ServiceTitan Setup Guide. In this video, we will explore how to create your account, add users, and configure your dashboard effectively. Let's begin by creating your ServiceTitan account. Visit the ServiceTitan website and click on Sign Up. It's important to choose the right plan that meets your business needs. Take a moment to compare the features of each plan. Once you've selected your plan, check your email for a verification link. Click on it to complete your registration process. Next, let's add users to your ServiceTitan account. Navigate to the User Management section and click Add User. Assign appropriate permissions and roles to each user for better team management and security. Now, let's give you an overview of the dashboard and its key components essential for navigating ServiceTitan. Personalize your dashboard layout to streamline your workflow. Drag and drop widgets to your preference. ServiceTitan allows integration with various tools. Explore the integration options to enhance your business processes. As we wrap up, remember these best practices. Explore resources, ask questions, and ensure your team is on board with the setup.